Starting a furniture manufacturing business is like piecing together a handcrafted table. It requires patience, precision, and passion. Today, we're going to explore the journey of setting up your own furniture manufacturing business, and trust me, it's going to be an exciting ride. If you're thinking of turning your woodworking dreams into a thriving business, keep watching. All right, let's get started. First things first, understanding your market is crucial. You need to know who your customers are and what kind of furniture they want. Are you targeting eco-conscious buyers looking for sustainable materials? Or maybe you're aiming for luxury clients who want custom-made pieces? Defining your niche will help you stand out in a crowded market. Next, you'll want to sketch out a business plan. Think of it as your blueprint. This includes everything from your startup costs and pricing strategy to your marketing plan and long-term goals. It's important to have a clear vision of where you want to go and how you plan to get there. Once your plan is set, it's time to gather your resources. This means securing funding, finding a location, and getting the right equipment. You might need woodworking machines, delivery trucks, or even computer software for designing your pieces. This step is all about setting up the backbone of your business. Now, let's talk about production. Quality is key in the furniture business. You want to produce pieces that not only look good, but also last for years. This means sourcing quality materials and hiring skilled workers. Your reputation will be built on the craftsmanship of your products, so make sure you don't cut corners here. Marketing is another critical aspect. Use social media, a professional website, and maybe even local events to get the word out. Show off your work with high-quality photos and engaging stories about how each piece is made. People love a good story, especially when it comes to handcrafted items. Now, here's a little personal insight. Networking can be a game changer. Connect with interior designers, real estate developers, and local businesses. Word of mouth is powerful, and building relationships can lead to more opportunities than you might expect. And finally, let's not forget about legalities. Setting up a business means dealing with permits, taxes, and regulations. This is where legalregistration.com can be your best friend. They can help ensure you're on the right track legally, keeping your business safe and compliant. So, there you have it. Starting a furniture manufacturing business is challenging, but with the right plan and resources, it's absolutely achievable. If you've got the passion, you can turn your dreams into beautifully crafted reality. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights and tips. And for all your business registration needs, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Good luck on your journey and happy crafting!